this stick, the stumper here, you'll be like, wow, this pan's not heating. But look, it has a hole in it. It's actually burning from the inside.
Is it? Oh yeah, I see that right there.
Yeah. It actually started burning in there, and now it has just like a little oven that's getting me.
Pretty nice, huh? And we got all the potatoes and veggie and wrapped in tin foils here. Well, what do we have there? What is that? The pork?
Roast.
Roast?
Took a roast, cut it in thin pieces.
Did she marinate or anything?
Nope.
Salt, pepper? Nope, nothing?
No, nothing.
That looks good. Hi, Bellboo, what you doing? What you reading? What is it?
Your comic book.
What is it called?
I do not know how to pronounce the word, but I do not know how to pronounce this word. I know at the ending there's dance. Ascendance. I have a booklet.
Yep, you did it right. You read it right. Cute book.
Also, it still feels weird because it opens this way instead of the other way.
Yeah, it's backwards. That's silly.
Look at this.
Isn't she cute?
Yeah. Oh, Mom, I found a little picture.
Yes. Don't rip it, okay?
Okay.
He doesn't like a season with anything. Just listen to it.
Wonder how the hole's doing.
Looking good.
There's rays over here.
Yeah, I've seen that. They're way over there, and I'm already here.
Yeah. I just moved them because they were big logs on them.
Roll up your hands. Is it getting cold out here?
No, just for my thumbs.
Well, by nighttime we need to put our snow pants on and stay warm.
Or we build a fire up like this high.
I think a little bit lower, about this high.
If we got enough wood, we could do it.
Really?
Well, all the trees that you dragged in.
There's a wood pile over there. There's a wood pile over here.
Right there.
Right there.
Guys of wood.
It's really warm right here.
That's why I take my jacket off every time I go down there.
Did that feel good, honey?
It's starting to feel my thumbs again. Your book is very good.
Is it good? What? Can you tell me what's it about?
A girl who died by a bookshelf falling on her and awakened as a little girl. It's hard to pronounce her name, but she has a big sister. She's the little sister. And there's no books, and they didn't even invent the name avocado or shampoo.
Oh no! So they don't wash their hair?
Yeah. And
Oh
then
boy!
when
One
she,
of the avocados, how to do it, she's washing her hair.
for some reason, she learned how to make shampoo out of avocado juice, oil, and seeds.
Interesting. I like avocado on my egg.
And salt, and she washed her hair in it, and I was like, what are you doing? Because they haven't invented shampoo.
So what do they normally wash their hair?
Just water.
Just water? Just rinsing? They must stink back then, huh?
Wait, Belle, they're extinct too?
No, not, no X, just stink. When there are, for some reason, her big sister in the book told her that only grown-ups can put the hair up.
I wonder why that is.
There's a dog on your leg.
Hi, Olive. What you doing?
She smells the neighbor's dogs.
I like it hot.
Turn around.
You know that song? Turn around.
Well, not turn around, but I know that part of the song. You just